मैंने चलो मैं अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं। हमने पिछली वीडियो में आपको सेट के बारे में बताया, उसके 3 क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको क्लियर किए। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या कह रहा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट आर नल सेट एंड व्हाई। इनमें से कौन सा सेट नल सेट है और व्हाई क्यों। तो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द नल सेट। तो नल सेट मींस ए सेट which contain number of element is 0. 0 means null. It means कोई भी एलिमेंट कंटेन नहीं करता है तो उसको हम नल सेट बोलते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हमने कहा अभी सेट ऑफ ए प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 1। तो सेट ऑफ ए प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 1 से छोटे प्राइम नंबर, इट मींस वी हैव नॉट गेट एनी सेट। तो दिस एनी नंबर, तो देन वी से दैट इट इज ए नल सेट। एंड रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नल सेट इज दिस बिग वर्ड इज फाइव and this is empty set. Null set, empty set, Boolean set are the name of this null set. In question number 4 we are given that a set which element is 0. It is said that set value 0 and its only element is set। एक सेट दिया हुआ है जिसके अंदर केवल एक एलिमेंट है 0। We shall discuss this is the null set, yes या no और why। रीजन भी देना है उसके साथ। दिस सेट कंटेन ओनली वन एलिमेंट मींस 0, तो देन दिस इज नॉट ए नल सेट। दिस सेट इज नॉट ए नल सेट बिकॉज दिस सेट contain one element, only one element। This set contain only one element is 0। ये सेट जो है एक एलिमेंट को अपने अंदर रखे हुए है जिसका एलिमेंट है 0, तो ये आपका नल सेट नहीं है। दिस टाइप ऑफ सेट दैट सिंगलटन सेट इज सेट हैविंग ओनली वन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड ए सिंगलटन सेट। तो सेकंड पार्ट इज this is your first part, this is your second part। say that B is equal to B is any set B is equal to x such that x plus 3 is equal to 3। so now we have given that x plus 3 equal to 3, x equal to 3 minus 3 we get x equal to 0। so now element of this set is also 0। so now we say that if we put this element this we get 3। so now this element is also set also contain the 0 element। this is also not a null set, not a null set because these contain only one element। so now next question is C part। third part is C set equal to y such that y square minus 2 equal to 0, y square minus 2 equal to 0। this is your given set। so now we have found the value of this y square is equal to 2, y is equal to square root 2। so this square root 2 is the set of this, C is equal to root 2 is the set of this element। so now set of this element contains square root 2। this is also not a null set, not null set because this is also contain a element। so now B part is, it means fourth part is say that we are given any set B equal to y that such that y3 is equal to 27, y is equal to 2। this is say that y3 is equal to 27। we have find that y is equal to 27 whole power n means 2 we have power 1 by 3। if we find the truth of this term we get the value of y is equal to 3। here we take positive value, these are the positive and negative value, but we take positive value। if we get negative value minus 3 cube is minus 27, we have get the value of this। so now this value is these have no common value. So then this set D is equal to null set. It means it has no element. So then this is select. Yes, it is null set. Yes, null set. So this is the example of a null set. And now E like this. Last part of this will E select any set x such that x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. So now we select x square is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4. We have find the value of x is x square is equal to 4. X is equal to this 4 under the square we get positive and negative. We get square of 2 is 4 and square of minus 2. Square of 2 is 4. Square of minus 2 is also 4. So now which are given value is 3. Now these two elements x is equal to plus minus 2, x is equal to 3. Then this also don't contain any common value. So then this is also select a null set because they have no common value. This is your question number 4. In question number 5, we have said that question number 5 state whether the following set are finite or infinite. In these questions we have tell about finite set and infinite set, infinite and finite set. And in this type of set we have find the number of elements are countable, then we say that it is finite set. If number of elements are not countable, then we say that it is a infinite set. In this like set we are given a set. First 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and last element of this is 1000. In this type of set, here the number of elements of this set are countable. If we count this set, then the total number of elements of this set is 1000. It means we have count these elements, so then this is considered finite set. So this is the finite set where the number of elements are countable. So this is the finite set. Also this the set of positive integers greater than 1000. Set of positive integer greater than 1000. We take this set of positive integer greater than 1000. We have take this set like this 1000 greater than 1001, 1002 and up to so. Next one is positive number greater than 1000. Last number of these have we have not find that this set. After this we write this 110. After this also set like this. So now number of elements of this type set are not countable. Then we say that it is a infinite set because the number of elements are not countable. If we are given that like this set, so then we have to count the number of element. Then we will say that finite set, and this set is number of elements are not countable. Then we say infinite set. Now third part say that x such that x belong to natural number and x square is equal to 4. We are given that x belong to natural number and in natural number x square is equal to 4. If we find the value of this set is x square is equal to 4, so then x is equal to 4 under the scale we have find the value of positive 2 and negative. But this negative 2 is not belong to natural numbers. So then this belong to natural number, then this set becomes set equal to 2. So we have find the number of element. This set is contain only one element, then this is considered finite set. This is also the example of a finite set. It is also the name of this set is this set contain only one element. This is considered singleton set. Only one element contain this set. So then number 6. In the following, state whether A set equal to B set or not. In these types of questions, we have shown that set A equal to set A, B, yes or a no. So now we are given set A set is, first part of this we are given that set 4, 8, 12, 16, and set B say that 8, 4, 16, 1 and 8. These are two given set. We have shown that these sets are equal. For equal set we have discussed already this topic. In this set the number of element of this set and this set A and set B have same, and number of element countable also same. So now we take this. Here the element of set is 4, 8, 12, 16. But in set B 4, 8, 8, 16. This 12 is not contained in the set B. Element of 12 in set A, but not in set B. 12 जो एलिमेंट है वो सेट A के अंदर तो है लेकिन B के अंदर नहीं है, इसलिए A और B सेट दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर A के सभी एलिमेंट B के अंदर हो, B के A के अंदर कंटेन कर रहे हैं, तो then we say that these are the equal set. So here set A not equal to set A B. Second part of this, we are given A set. Element of A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We are given this set. And set B. B is x is a positive integer. Even integer less than equal to 10. So we have to find the positive integer less than equal to 10. So less than equal to 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8. And this is say that integer less than and equal to 10. It means we count these 10. These are the positive even integers less than equal to 10. So now the number of elements of set A and B are same. Here the number of elements in set A and set B have same. दोनों एलिमेंटों के अंदर सेटों के अंदर एलिमेंट सेम है, 2 है, 8 इस सेट पे इसमें 4, 6, 8 और 10. Then this say that set A equal to set B. This is the example of set A equal to B. Now third part of this, third part say that A is the set of x such that x minus 5 equal to 0. So now we saw that x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So set A contains only one element 5. And second, B said that x is a positive integral. So root of this equation, given equation is, we solve this equation, x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. By factorization methods, we apply this x minus 5 x plus 3 equal to 0. So we find the value of x, 5 and minus 3. So now B set is minus 3 and 5. These are the element of B and these are the element of A. Now A contains element 5, this is also element 5. But in element minus 3 not contained by A. So then these are not the equal set. A not equal to B because minus 3 is not contained by this. So this is your next. Now, but in these questions we have to take positive integrals. It is given that we take positive integrals value. It means we have to take only positive value, not a negative value. Then B set not contain minus 3, it contain only 5. So then we say that A equal to B. We have take only positive value, not a negative. Now questions fourth part say that A is equal to 1. Now for a, so x is the modulus of less than 2. We take those values whose modulus less than 2. For x less than x belong to z. So now we take these values is 0. 0 modulus is in 0 and 0 is less than 2. 1 modulus is 1 is also less than 2. Minus 1 modulus is 1 is also less than 2. These three values we get these three values 0, 1 and minus 1. These values are the modulus is less than 2. So then set A contain element minus 1, 0 and 1. These are three values. Now we take these values from this. We take minus 1 belong to minus this set, 1 belong to this, but 0 not belong to B. Here 0 of set A not belong to set B. 0 जो है वो इस सेट B इसके अंदर B के अंदर बिलोंग नहीं कर रही है, तो इसलिए 0 इसमें है सेट A लेकिन B में नहीं है, नॉट बिलोंग टू B के अंदर नहीं है, तो देन A नॉट इक्वल टू B, A और B इक्वल नहीं है. These are the questions number 6. We have taken another example of this like from a set A equal to set A, B, yes, yeah, no. So next questions of last questions and next questions of this exercise, questions number 7. Which of the following set are equal set? We have discussed about in this given equal set. In equal set we have discussed already this equal example of equal set. Number of elements are same, but countable of these elements are not same. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 elements. These are 4 elements. Elements are also same. Countable be also same and elements are also same. This is that equal of two set. In this set, here element A and A 2 times count. But we have comparing these elements to this set, then we take 1 times. So now first question of these, we are given some sets A, B, C. Second C, A, B, A. Next B, A, C, B. Next C, A, B, C, C. These are given some example. Yeah, set. We have discussed in which set are equal. In first case, we take A, B, C. These are the element of this set, and these are the element of C, A, B, A. Now look here. This is set A 2 times B and C. So now element of this set and element of this set are same. Number of elements are not same because we have write the A 2 times. So here the number of elements same are same. And next is also B, A, C, B. This is also the equal of this set because here the element of B is 2 times, but the others elements are same to this. And this C, A, B, C, C. This is the set of equal to this because A element belong to this, B element belong to this, C element belong to this. But here the method of written is different. But these elements are contained A, B, C in this set. So hence these set are equal. ये सभी set आपके equal है because all contains the element of A, B, C. यहाँ लिखने का ढंग अलग अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन सभी सेटों के अंदर A, B, C ही एलिमेंट आया हुआ है. Second part of question number 7. Set is 1, 2, 3. It is set. Next is x such that x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And third is 3, 2, 1. And next is x such that x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. These are given the set. We have find these set are equal. So now it is given set whose element are, first set is whose element is 1, 2, 3, and this set is, this is second set. In second set we have find x square minus 2x plus 1. If we factorize these, we get multiply 1 and add by 2. So now we have take, this is the complete square is x minus 1 whole square. If we open this square, we get x square plus 1 square minus 2ab. So we get x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1 and 1. So now this set, second set contain element only 1. And third set is element is 3 to 1. This is also the set. And fourth set he say that x such that x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. We have solved these equations by putting methods, hit and trials rules, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. We have no method to find these. So we have put x equal to 1 in first equation first. So then we get 1 cube p1. This is px. p1 minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 multiply 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6, 11 minus 6. We get 12 minus 12 equal to 0. It means 12 minus 12 equal to 0. It means x is equal to 1. It means x equal to 1 or x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial या px. Now we have divided these px by x minus 1, then remainder equal to 0. And now we find the element of this set. Now x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is divided by x minus 1. Now we take these values x square, x cube minus x square. This is negative, this is positive. Minus 5x square plus 11x minus 6. Now we take minus 5x, we get minus 5x square plus 5x. Now this positive, this negative. 6x minus 6 plus 6, we get 6x minus 6. This negative, this positive, also cancel. Remainder is 0. So remainder is 0 hence that x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now we write this x minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now x minus 1 equal to 0 and x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Then x equal to 1. Now factorize this x minus, we get multiply 6 and add or subtract, we get 5. Then this factor is x minus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. We get the value x is equal to 3 and 2. So now this fourth set becomes the element of 1, 2 and 3. Now look here. This is the set element of 1, 2, 3. This is the set of first set element of 1, 2, 3. And this is also the set of third. This element is also 1, 2, 3. So now the set of these equal of set 1, 2, 3, second 3, 2, 1, and last is x such that x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. These are all are equal set. Now this is your exercise 1.1. Now we have